So hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Sofa and today we're gonna have an amazing review on Andrew Reznik's book. Before we're gonna continue, I would like to apologize for not posting videos in the past, and I will start to do it from now on more often, and there's a lot of other interesting things coming up, so stay tuned. Now, as I mentioned, we will have today a great review on Andrew Reznik's book, Soviet Orders and Medals from 1918 to 1991. This book is actually, the first one was released in 2020. It's an amazing one, and it's a good start for every collector of Soviet awards and medals. Now, this one has 287 pages. I'm gonna put this aside, and now we're gonna look at this book. So basically, we have a new version of the book, which is already compiling a lot of useful information, also for newbies and old schoolers who already collect Soviet awards. This book itself has 363 pages, was released in this year, 2023, and let's just start and take a look at it quickly. So basically, when we go through, Andrew added a lot of additional information about the suspensions, which is a great thing because there's a huge variety, medals, documents, and it's actually how to say, it's basically showing more details of the awards itself, what you need to pay attention, etc. And the information is just simply amazing. If we take a look, the book itself is a great quality, so it's a great print. It's not one of those cheap ones, and as I already said, it's a must for every collector. Why? Because when you start, basically you rely a lot of information. There's of course Facebook groups which you can join, and I would highly recommend that. And there's also like literature, books. So basically, when you start to collect, you need to be aware that there's a lot of fakes, especially with the Soviet awards and medals. Now, before I continue, I just wanted to tell you that when you look for a great group to join, I will post some links in my description, so feel free to check it out and join those groups. And what we will do is I will now review a couple interesting facts about the book. I'm just gonna, it has a lot of useful, as mentioned, information, details. So when we, for example, go into the Order of the Red Star, so basically we have some information, basic information, how the order was worn, the variation types, and so on. Also an amazing piece is that when we take a look at the pages, there are certain photographs, and the amazing part is Andrew asked me at the beginning if I can actually provide him with some photographs for my collection, and just wanted to highlight them because it's pretty cool to see your own photographs from the collection in this amazing book. Now, if we take a look, we have here Bogdan Khmelnytsky order, and the amazing part is here we have the original photograph. So this is the one. Then there's more coming up. I want to show that because I feel also very proud of it to have my photographs in there. Here's the original photograph as well. Then we have on page 75. There's more interesting stuff coming, so don't worry about it. Here's the photograph, original one as well. And then we have on 103. There's one specific thing which I really like about it is the pilots. That's also like something amazing as well. This one is from 1944, and the pretty cool thing is I did not know, but somehow my Order of the Red Star, so Andrew actually added some variations of the modified variations of the Order of the Red Star, and here we have my order, which is actually this one here. And if we take a closer look, here is the number 3356988. Here we go. That's my order. Well, not my order, but from my collection as well. So it's pretty cool to have this piece there. Then we have on page 186 a photograph. There's several photographs, and honestly, guys, I feel so proud to have my photos in here. So from my collection. Then we have this one here. One second. Sorry. I got a little bit, here we go, this one here. So take a look. That's pretty amazing as well. So signed. Then we have here another photograph. It's pretty cool. I mean, like, because like it's unusual, I would say, like, so. And for a collector, this is also an amazing thing to have in the book itself. Then we have 193, sorry, the Medal of Ushakov. Here's the photograph as well. That one was from 1948. And if we go on, we have on page 218. Sorry, I just need to show that because it's pretty amazing. Here we go. Here. And then one of the most amazing pieces, also, like, because photographs and awards is an amazing thing, and if you combine them, that's also pretty cool. So there's the original. And a last one on 270. Here we go as well. So that's a little bit like blink here, like a little bit flexing. But in general, what I wanted to say, it's a highly recommendable book for collectors of Soviet awards. And it contains all the information you require. Like we have here the ranges, like the tables for types of range of orders, the suspensions, as I mentioned, booklets, so the award booklets, and a lot of amazing details. So if you want to purchase one of that, and as I mentioned, I recommend that. I will also put a link to Andrew Reznik's page. Yeah, that's actually it. So there are like several books, and by the way, Andrew Reznik releases a lot of other books. He has also some books about Waffen-SS things and stuff like that. I will also provide the link to the video, which I actually made a review on. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, just also, one important information for everybody else. If you guys plan to create or to write a book and you require some materials in terms of photographs, I have a very large variety of different photographs from pre-wartime and post-war. So feel free to reach out and we can actually figure out something. So thank you very much for your time. Yeah, I appreciate your patience, and have a nice one. So enjoy. Lots of peace to everybody. Bye.